first things first, what I want everybody to do is go to your calculator. Everybody take out the calculator. Okay? Once you do your calculator, what you have to do next is you have to press the table function, mode table function. Everybody got that? Yeah? And what do you put into the formula for question 6? So 3, you press alpha button, then you press X, and then you have minus 5. Alright? How many people are this far along? Yeah? Press equals. Now I want you to know where do you start from. Where's the starting value? I'm looking at it. Minus 2. What's your end value?
Let me start at 4.
4. Your step just always stays as 1 for the most part. Now, you're given a collection of numbers. Does everybody have this collection of numbers on the board? You can press up and down to see what each one is. Okay? Now here's what I want you guys to do for me. I want you guys to call me out what is the left side and the right side. So the first answer for me would be minus 2 minus 11. Second answer is minus 1 minus 8. Third answer is 0 minus 5. Is that right? So I want you to call out these numbers for me now, please. Alright, so call them out. What's the first one? Minus 2? What? Minus 11. Next one?
Minus 1 minus 8.
Minus 1 minus 8. One after that?
0 minus 5.
Yeah, one after that?
1 minus 2.
1 minus 2. One after that?
2 4.
One after that? 3 4. One after that? 4 7. Okay. Now, here's what I do. I get all these points and I bring them down beside my graph, and then I'm looking at my graph paper here. That's what you guys have in front of you, right? So what you're going to do next is you're going to draw, you have to go from minus 11 up to 7. Everybody happy with that? Minus 11 up to 7. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to draw a big XY line. Now I'm going to count up in, I'm going to go across in 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2. Is everybody happy with that? Now, next thing I'm going to do after that, see the way you have to go all the way down to minus 11? And it's really difficult just to keep writing down minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It's too much space, isn't it? Look, it looks really bad. Minus 1, minus 2. Look at that. So that doesn't look good at all, does it? So here's what you can do. You can always just go down in trees if you want. If you want more space, you can always just go minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, and then another 3 minus 12, and you can go 3, 6, 9, now 12. Now, for example, if I want to find minus 2 minus 11, where's that located? Minus 2 is here. Where's minus 11? Just above? Line above the 12. Next one, minus 1 minus 8. Keep going down, tell me what to stop. There, somebody tell me to stop next time. 0 minus 5. 0. Stop. Next one, 1 minus 2. Next one after that, 2 1. Stop. Next one, 3 4. Stop. Next one after that, 4 7. Okay. And look what happens.
That's 4 8. That's 4 8.
How is it? Excuse me. Okay. Look what happens next. Oh, that's in the wrong place, isn't it? That was meant to be there. So everybody see that? Can anybody tell me a quick way of doing all this? Apart from that, draw the first one, draw the last one, which is 4 7, and then link the first one to the last one, And then what can you do? Just go -1, hit, 0 hits, 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits. Do you see the way you just go up and dot it where it hits the line? It's much quicker, isn't it?
Well, is it always going to be straight?
In this exercise, it'll always be a straight line. In the next exercise, it starts to go into curves. Okay? So what we'll do next is we're going to look at the next question on. Okay? Next question on is question 8. What do you think about question 8? Let's put it into the calculator again. So what do we get this time? F of x equals 2 shift x start -3 end +3 step 1. Who got all these points here? -3, -6, -2, -4, 2, 1, -2. Ever get them ones? Now, remember what we said? Can you guys tell me, write down all the points for me? What are the points?
-3,
-3, -6, next one?
-2, -1.
Yeah, after that? Yeah, after that? Yeah. 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 Okay. Now, we want to do a quick shortcut on this one. Once again, we might just go up in this time we can go up in twos, can't we? Because it's not as big as the last one. Do you see what I'm doing this time around? 2 spaces is worth 1. Why am I allowed to do it this time? Because it's not going all the way down to 11 and all the way up to 7. Like, I have more space to do the points in. 2. It's -3. So do you see that I'm using 2 blocks for 1? Does that make sense? 2 blocks for 1. Now, draw the first and the last point, guys. Where's the last point? -3 -6. Where's -3 -6? Tell me when to stop.
No, it's not -3, -6. Stop. No.
It is.
Stop there.
What? Do you get 2? What are you looking at, Aaron?
I'm just looking at this and it's just 3.
Press up until you get to -3.
Oh, yeah.
Do you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the last point?
3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 6 is up here. And what happens then? Join them together. And then once you join them together, just put in the rest of the dots. -1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 4. Yeah.